We got a listener question or a listener comment. When we closed with your team, we received a home maintenance sheet to stay on top of things. This is cool. It's like a big, what do you call that? It's like twice the size of a legal size sheet of paper. And they go on to say, and this is Mike and Jen and Milton, it says, we can't thank you enough for that and thought it would be a good idea for you to for your show to go over the major issues that face homeowners. Since this was our first home, it really helped us out. And so we've got a list for you, and the reality is in many cases you're going to have somebody handle this for you. A lot of these are not DIY projects. But when a home buyer closes with our team, we provide them with a 5-year home maintenance checklist from our Sure Home Buying system so that our buyers can be sure they're maintaining their home appropriately for years to come. Main issues are air conditioning. Atlanta is hot, and we have lots and lots of air conditioning problems. You need to keep your air conditioning in good working order. Number 2 is doors. Imagine coming home from a long day at work and all you want is peace and quiet, but as you slide your key into the front door's deadbolt, click, 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 nothing happens. It's a good idea to have a trusty locksmith on speed dial. Toilets. Water flows along the path of least resistance. Get a clog in the toilet, and you may find that path leads right onto the bathroom tile. So you need to make sure you have plumbers ready to fix the problem. Sinks, whether it's a drip, a clog, a leak, or something else, sink issues need to be addressed quickly before they sink your cash. Bathtubs. Many people love taking baths. My current girlfriend would take baths every day and never take a shower. I am not a bath person, just like many others. But if you have an issue with a bathtub, you need to fix it. Drains, clogged drains, isn't something that sorts itself out. Right? Drano can certainly help with that. You probably need a plumber. Refrigerators. If you have a smart refrigerator, do you understand how it works? If yours fails, you're probably going to need a specialist or even a new fridge. And both can be expensive. Lights. In 1879, Thomas Edison patented the first commercially successful light bulb. Nowadays, all it takes is the power to go out or the lighting system to falter to feel like you're in the 1870s again. Most of it's bulb, but sometimes you need electricians to come in. Showers, one of the top 10 most common maintenance issues. 5 are water-related. Of the top 10, 5 are water-related. Plumbing is certainly not a do-it-yourself. Garbage disposals are a problem, so it's important to have a system to track the regular servicing age and predictable usable life of a home's mechanical systems and components so that you can be prepared for Murphy's Law.